I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your TikTok name. First, it's important to understand that TikTok has two types of names: your username and your display name. Your username is unique and can only be changed once every 30 days. This is the name people use to find and tag you. On the other hand, your display name, which appears above your profile picture, can be changed as often as you like without any restrictions. Let's dive into the steps for each. To update your username, begin by opening the TikTok application and navigating to your profile page. Once there, tap the Edit Profile button. You'll then see a field labeled Username. Select this field. Now, carefully type in your desired new username. Remember, it must be unique and available. If it is, confirm your selection. Just be aware that once you change it, you'll need to wait 30 days before you can change it again. Changing your display name is much simpler and more flexible. Start by going to your profile page within the TikTok app. Next, tap on the Edit Profile option. You'll see a field simply labeled Name. This is where you can modify your display name. Tap on it, type in your new preferred name, and then save your changes. Your display name will update instantly, and you can change it as many times as you wish. When deciding on your names, remember that your username is your unique identifier, crucial for others to find and tag you. Your display name, however, is more of a public-facing label that appears prominently on your profile. It's wise to choose a username that truly represents your content or brand. Always keep in mind the 30-day waiting period for username changes, so choose carefully to avoid any inconvenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.